So I got this car cleaning kit that I saw a review of online, and it looked amazing. But it was only £4, so I thought I'd buy it and give it a test out and see actually how good it is. I've put the links in the description and also in the comments, and there's a QR code, just scan that and you can see that. It's £4 or £5, it's pretty cheap, and hopefully it will work. Enjoy! It's definitely cleaned the window a lot better than using like normal window spray. It's cut through the traffic film and the water does bead on it, so it's quite a good product, but it's not as amazing as the advertising video that I originally saw. Anyway, thanks for liking.